The first future form is will. We use will for predictions, instant decisions, offers, and promises. We use will in 4 situations: first, in making predictions or when we think something will happen. For example, I think it will rain tomorrow. We use will rain because we don't have solid evidence, just a belief. Second is in making instant decisions or when we decide something at the moment of speaking. For example, hold on, I will help you with your bags. Then lastly, to express offers and promises. For example, I will call you later. And I won't tell anyone your secret. Check yourself, which sentence is correct? A. She will go to the party tonight. Or B. She goes to the party tonight. Next, we have going to. We use this when we already have a plan or strong intention. This means we have already decided to do something before the moment of speaking. Some instances to use going to is for making future plans. Take a look at example 1. I am going to study abroad next year. You have already made the decision and maybe even started preparing, so we use going to study. Second instance is for making predictions based on evidence. Take a look at the second sentence. Look at those dark clouds. It is going to rain soon. There is clear evidence that something will happen, so we use going to rain. Check yourself, which is correct? Is it A. He going to buy a car? Or B. He is going to buy a car? Finally, we can also use the present continuous to talk about the future, but only for fixed arrangements. This is when we have already planned something and set a time or schedule for it. Look at the following examples. We are meeting the IELTS instructor at 3 p.m. They are flying to London tomorrow. These examples use the present continuous form be plus the ing form of the verb because the activity or action is already fixed and scheduled beforehand. Now, it's time to test yourself. Fill in the blanks with the correct future form. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's go. Number 1. I buy a new laptop tomorrow. A. Will buy. B. Am going to buy. C. Am buying. Number 2. Look at those gray clouds. It rains soon. A. Will rain. B. Is going to rain. C. Is raining. Number 3. She have a meeting with her boss at 2 p.m. A. Will have. B. Is going to have. C. Is having. Number 4. I think robots replace many jobs in the future. A. Will replace. B. Are going to replace. C. Are replacing. Number 5. We fly to Tokyo next Monday. The tickets are booked. A. Will fly. B. Are going to fly. C. Are flying. Number 6. You forgot your wallet? No worries, I pay for your coffee. A. Will pay. B. Am going to pay. C. Am paying. Comment your answers below. Let's see who gets them all correct. Now, let's see how these future forms appear in the IELTS speaking test. Sample question 1. What are your plans for next year?
I am going to study in Canada because I want to improve my English. Also, I am meeting a university advisor next week to finalize my application.
Sample question 2. Do you think technology will change the way we work in the future?
Yes, I believe technology will change many jobs in the future. For example, artificial intelligence is going to replace some routine tasks. However, people are still going to need creative and critical thinking skills. In fact, my company is launching a new AI project next month to help automate customer service.
This is a Band 7+ answer because it uses a variety of future forms naturally. Now you're ready to use will, going to, and the present continuous with confidence. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more IELTS tips. Also check out other videos in my Mastering IELTS playlist here and in the description below. See you on the next video.